Our next story takes us here to the heart of Boston. Of course, everyone knows this city is Beantown, but you could also call it Greentown for some of the energy-saving measures that are underway here, especially at one very famous hotel, as you're about to see. It's a landmark on the city skyline and one of Boston's most famous structures, the Westin Copley Place. Built in 1982 with over 875,000 square feet of guest rooms, meeting space, and luxurious lobby in the heart of Copley Square, the Westin Copley made a commitment early on to do things in a green way to save energy, and is now the only hotel in Massachusetts to be recognized as a Green Seal certified hotel.
Any program that has to do with sustainability, we firmly will support it. We believe in it and we want to implement it. For example, we've been in the garage and looked to replace our fluorescent lighting with LED lighting. It is also motion activated, so it will shut off if not needed or required. The lighting shuts off and saves us energy. We also have carbon monoxide sensors in the garage, so the exhaust fans are not running unless required to. We have recently renovated our lobby of the hotel, and we've added a vertical garden. This is a wall that has live plants from top to bottom, from floor to ceiling, and it provides oxygen. It's a good feeling to walk into a space and feel natural plant life.
But just as important as attaining this green designation was the need to keep up with the latest energy-saving technology and green initiatives in order to be the energy-efficient leader in the hotel business. It meant a complete retrofitting of the hotel by developing a plan to reduce energy usage in virtually every room of the hotel, including all 803 guest rooms. Now, when people talk about retrofitting, you might think about windows or possibly lighting, but they're easy to see. Retrofitting here involves a much more hidden energy. The electric motors found in every room in this hotel.
A lot of people overlook a small motor like this, but everything adds up to the bottom line. So when energy is talked about, every little bit helps. The result benefit for a user like the Westin or a large hotel property is increased guest comfort, energy savings, controllability of the motor.
When we did our readings for these motors, we found that they were 80% more efficient with the new Regal Beloit motor. For this total project, when you add up all the rooms and all 871 motors we're retrofitting, we're going to save over 400,000 kilowatts a year.
The importance of energy efficiency with electric motors is it's very important because the motors are consuming a lot of energy, and therefore if you can improve the efficiency of the motor, you can have a big impact on the overall energy consumption.
And John Schlemmer should know all about the energy-saving potential of electric motors. His company, Regal, has provided the nearly 900 ECM electric motors being used to retrofit the Westin Copley. In fact, Regal's engineers invented ECM, or electronically commutated motor technology, and the current design is the 7th generation of the product, which is behind the hidden energy savings in retrofitting such large commercial projects as this.
Working together, we've provided a solution that improves the efficiency by, in some cases, as much as 80% energy savings on a particular motor, depending on the size of the motor and the room in the facility.
It's a win from everybody down to the manufacturer, all the way to the environment, the guest comfort, the contractors involved, the installation process. It's a big win for everyone.
It's all about converting power into motion to help a hotel like the Westin Copley run more efficiently. And as a multi-billion-dollar global manufacturer and innovation leader in the electric motor industry, headquartered in Wisconsin, Regal has used the most advanced technology, electronics, and software to keep the electric motor on the cutting edge of energy savings.
And that's really kind of the magic that we like to think of when you can tie electronics and software with more efficient motor technology and put the combination together to optimize an application. And we've been at that for many years. And you could think of it like putting a computer on the back of a motor. It allows you to essentially make the motor smarter for the application.
In fact, you could call the Westin a landmark of energy savings that's about to become the new icon of sustainability for hotels in the future.